Hey y'all, so today I am going to teach you guys about bubble.us, which is a brainstorming idea website great for teachers or students to learn new concepts or do storylines or story plots, basically. So I already have an account, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to sign in. I'm just going to use the email that I have, which is, and then a password. It can be any kind of password that you want it to be. Just make sure you type it in right, because sometimes I kind of forget. So I've already tested out 2 of them. So I did one with James and the Giant Peach and then Disney movies. Now let me show you how I did the Disney movies. So basically what I did was I went in, and what I did with the blue was the main topic, basically, so Disney movies, and then I did subcategories, which was Beauty and the Beast, and then I went down, which is the green, which is the subcategory of the subcategory, which is the main ideas, or the main characters. So I put Belle, the Beast, Lumiere, etc., and then I stopped at Little Mermaid because I was like, oh, this is different, I like this. So I'm going to go back, and I'm going to show you guys how to make one. So when you make one, it should look like, oh, you have a new folder, you have a new mind map idea, or you can search one. And now granted, I've only had 2, and I've only experienced 2 because I'm doing the free trial, which is, I get 3 for free. So I'm going to click the new mind map, and I can start here. So, for example, let's say you're a 2nd grade teacher and you're learning how to teach the kids synonyms. So you would type in synonyms. And then you can either go down or you can go to the side. So when you go down, it can be a different color, it can be the same color. And how you would change that is you would go to the A, which is the bubble color, and let's say you don't want to do green. Let's do red. And then you can also change your text size. You can bold it, you can italicize it, you can do different, like +2, which would make it a little bit bigger than it was before, all this kind of stuff. You can embed, well, I can't embed a picture or anything. You can embed a link. Basically, let's say you find the definition of synonyms on the WebsterDictionary.com. You can make a tree, you can make a circle, you can make a grid, you can make anything. So let's make a tree. So what I would do is after this is I would put words that mean the same, basically. You can go from here. Now what I can do from here is next over. Now I don't want it to be yellow because it's not the main idea. It's not synonyms and what they mean. So let's do a light little purple color. You can type in happy. And then from there, you can go and then go down. Now this one's a little big and it runs it over. So what I would do is I'd go back to text, I'd go back to normal, it makes it a little smaller. But since it's kind of big, I would do enter. That way it doesn't go on top. Now with this one, you can keep it this color and then go down to purple as well. Or you can change this one a different color. So when you type it in, let's say you want it to be blue. Well, with that, let's see, what are other synonyms for happy? So there's overjoyed, there's, excited, ecstatic, those are the only ones I can think of at the moment. So then you would do that. Now again, see, that one goes over it as well. Now I could not find where you would make it, I don't know the word I'm looking for, to make it other than just to go side to side, because on this one you can't go to the other side either. You can only go to one side. but it's different. So what I just did was I took this synonym part, put an arrow, and there's a very faint arrow right here, which is, I guess, pointing toward what a synonym looks like. So you would do happy, and then when you hit that, it pops up. So when your kids are wondering, well, what are synonyms? And then you have the definition, but yet you don't have it pointing towards happy, or let's say you put sad, mad, upset, which would be part of sad as well, any other kind of synonym words. But it's just a little different. I would most definitely use this for my kids in the future, because when you're doing a story, you can always do a plot line. Well, here's the plot, or you can map out the characters, or you can map out the settings, or you can map out, the main ideas of a story to where kids would understand. And I think this is a great tool for teachers and future teachers and future students to learn how to do it. And it's a great activity and a great way to get everybody involved inside the classroom.